to my channel. My name is Thyme. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming to watch my video. To my returning subscribers, thank you so much for coming back to watch another video today. So today I'm going to be cooking a turkey curry. You can have this with so many different things like rice, pasta, yam, spaghetti and all that. So these are all the ingredients I'm going to be using. I've got some tomatoes, some dry pepper, I've got this blue bell peppers, sweet peppers, onion, garlic, chicken stock cubes, I've got curry powder, all-purpose seasoning, onion granules, thyme, and some olive oil. So I've also got my turkey. I prefer to grill my meat, but today I'm going to be frying it just to give it that extra flavor. So I've washed my turkey and I'm going to season it now. I've sliced up 3/4 of that onion and garlic. So I'm going to add some curry. This is 1 full tablespoon of curry. Remember, we're making a turkey curry, so I'm going to add a fairly generous amount. That's like 2 spoons. I'm going to add some pepper. This is dry pepper. All-purpose seasoning. All-purpose seasoning. I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of it because I'm still going to put my chicken stock. Chicken stock. 2 of this. I tend to use more of stock and less of salt. So in case you're wondering that this seasoning is quite a lot, I'm only going to add a pinch of salt. Yeah. That's the amount of salt that I'm going to add. So I'll add some thyme. Just measure. And I'm going to add some onion granules. I haven't really used this before, but no, I just want to try it. So that's all my seasoning. My turkey, and I'm going to let it cook for about 10 to 15 minutes till it's soft. So while the turkey is cooking, and I think I'm only going to leave it for 10 minutes, I'm slicing my peppers. So guys, I've sliced all my vegetables, the peppers, tomatoes. I think I used 3 of the tomatoes. I didn't use all 5 because I felt it would be too much for the quantity of meat I have. And yes, it's quite a tedious task having to chop all this up and my fingers are aching. I know where I come from, Nigeria, we tend to blend our tomatoes and peppers together to make a kind of sauce stew. But my friends from Zimbabwe and Kenya, I know they say we are lazy, that they always have to slice this way. I don't want to be doing this all the time. This is just a special dish just for the Easter period. Normal times I'll probably just blend it. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and fry my turkey. So I'm going to fry it till it's dry, not too dry, but dry enough. So I've reduced the amount of oil. I'm using half of what I used to fry because it's going to be too much. And then I'm going to add my onions and my garlic and fry that. Still very hot. even though it's not on. Turn it on now. So I'm going to fry that for a few minutes and then add my peppers, and I'll add the tomato later. So I'm going to add the peppers now. I don't want to put too much oil because there's oil in the gravy, so I'm going to add the natural oil from the turkey. So that's why I don't have too much oil. I don't really like too much oil in my food, and my husband doesn't either. So I'm going to fry that for a few minutes, then I'll come back and add the tomatoes. So it's been cooking for close to 7 or 8 minutes now, and I'm going to add my stock. The stock seems a bit watery, so I'm going to add a thickener as well. And I love the consistency when I use the thickener. I'm going to add the turkey last because I don't like my meat to be too soft. Soft enough, but not too soft. And I'm tasting for salt now. I have enough salt because there was enough. I did the seasonings at the beginning, so I'm not going to add any more seasoning. But I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. It's not hot enough. I'm going to add this amount. So I like the look of this now. It's almost ready. I don't like my veg to be too soft, so I'm going to add the meat now. So for me, the vegetables have been on the fire for long enough, so I'm going to switch it off and just let it thicken on its own. That's my turkey curry, which I'm going to be having with spaghetti. You can also have it with rice and any pasta. Thanks for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the like button and also the subscribe button if you haven't subscribed. Bye, guys.